So for Christmas, I decided to make the leather travel keychains that I kept seeing on Instagram for my kids. And really, it was just a piece of leather, key ring, some washers with names of states and national parks or countries that they visited on washers, and then a clip for their bag or keys. I thought that'd be fun to make. Should be pretty easy. Go to the local big box store and buy some clips. Go to the local art supply store and buy some leather and some key rings. It should be pretty easy. But when I dug into it, they're really small and hard to hold on to. And to keep these stitches nice and clean and neat, I decided that I needed to make a stitching pony. So this is my stitching pony. And basically what this is a wooden clamp. And then I created, let me hold it up here. And then I created a lever, like a cam action lever, that tightens it down to makes it nice and easy to use. So there's a lot of different versions out there on YouTube. There's a lot that just have a screw, or they made a handle just to tighten up. And I really liked a cam lock or a lever because I thought it made it easy to use and to tighten down, made it very convenient. So when you're sewing your leather, put it in here, it clamps, lock it down, and it makes it very easy to stitch your leather. It holds your project for you. So, before we jump into the keychain, we're going to build a stitching pony. Hey guys, that wraps up the stitching pony. Pretty happy with how it turned out. Put a nice finish on it. I put a nice wide base on it so that I can attach it to my workbench, or I can sit down and put it between my legs and stitch comfortably in front of the TV or anything like that. So really handy tool if you do a lot of leather work. There's a couple extra things I would do. I really like the cam lever. It works really well. It has a lot of clamping power, but I would like to put a spring in here. And I think that that would force the jaws open every time I release the cam. I think that would be a great addition. Potentially I'll put leather on the inside of the clamp, just so it has a little more grip. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned a little bit about making a stitching pony, and who knows, if you enjoy the videos, maybe you can hit the subscribe button down below, or the little bell so you get notified anytime I upload a video. That would be awesome, and I would be so appreciative. But if you're just here to hang out and watch a couple videos, I want to thank you. There's a million videos that you could be watching out there, and you chose to watch mine. So I'm thankful. Appreciate that. So until next time, thanks.